Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created a sample configuration page for our application. In this video, we are going to make the design layout or the simple layout for our setting page, and here we are going to create, for example, this is a browser, and okay, so this is a browser page, and here we need some information which we want to make dynamic, like this logo. So we have a field for this logo. Go to here and add a field, or even that we go to here and search for a field. Okay, you can also search for input text. Okay, so this is for the backend logo, and this is for the front end logo. Okay, we can add text to here. Okay, this is the backend logo, the logo which is appearing here, and a logo which will appear here. So this is the front end logo and this is the back end logo. Okay, after this we need to make dynamic things like the name or the information which will appear here, and we have some kind of SEO parameters like title and description. So it is the title and it is the description, and if you want to add keywords you can add another fields, but we are not going to add keywords there. Okay, so logo, front end, back end, title, description, and there is one thing more which we need, and that is the image. Okay, the feature image of our application. So whenever someone will share this home page, the sample image will be appear there. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so image, feature image, front and logo, back and logo, page title, page description. Okay, or even that we can search for WordPress settings in the image and here are the settings which we are looking for. Here you can see the title. Okay, they are also provide the tagline, but we are not going to use this. Okay, email address, membership, new user, date format, time zone, time format. Okay, these information are not for us, but we can use email here too. So here is the admin email. Okay, that's it. Okay, and else of this we can search for different screens, like this reading. Okay, yeah, we can also provide setting here like how much post should be visible on the front end, blog page count, how many article will be visible on the blog page. Okay, and else what information we can give more. Okay, so this is the final thing which we need, and we have a button for save this information. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 7 fields and a button right now. Okay, now upon of this design we need to create a database table which will store these informations. Okay, so now what we will do in the next tutorial, we will create a table upon this information and a model in the MVC to entertain this information. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.